Hey guys, Chris from Provo-based Audio Installation, and in today's video, do you have a factory radio? And does that factory radio already come equipped with wired CarPlay from the manufacturer? Are you tired of plugging in your phone every time? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you how to easily convert that wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto connection to a wireless one. Let's get started. To convert your wired CarPlay connection to wireless, this is the adapter we're using. It's by Crux Interfacing and it's the ACP-WL. Very simple adapter. Let's go ahead and pull this apart. What they include in the box is a very simple instruction manual on how to get it set up, the wireless adapter itself, and the cable that you'll connect between your adapter and the USB input on your factory radio. Super simple to set up here. This walks you through the process. Go ahead and plug in your CarPlay dongle to the USB port on the radio. Go ahead and turn on the radio and select the USB source on the radio itself. Now once the dongle boots up, make sure your Bluetooth is set to on your phone and hit the search button on the radio. Doing so will show up on your phone and select it on the screen as well. It's going to prompt you to use wireless CarPlay. Once you've done that and enabled that permission, wireless CarPlay will boot up for the first time and thereafter will boot up every single time you get into the vehicle with wireless CarPlay. If you want one of these dongles, we'll link them in the description of the video. Thanks for watching.